So good morning, your student Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin with the lungs, part of the respiratory system, the major part, the pulmonary system as well. And here we have on this major diagram here, the left lungs, upper lobe, the left lungs, middle lobe, and the left lungs, lower lobe, the cardiac notch with the heart. We have the trachea, bronchus, main bronchus, two would be bronchi, and the bronchi turns out from the subdivided into the primary bronchus, secondary bronchus, tertiary bronchus, then into the bronchioles, and then into the alveoli. And in the alveoli, we have the gas exchange taking place. So here we have the pelvis and well, beyond the mouth, you will have epiglottics, the pharynx and the larynx. Larynx is still the trachea. Over here will be the, once again, we show the trachea, the bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, left lobe and right lobe. Same thing once over here, we have the right superior lobe, the left inferior lobe, and the right middle lobe. The trachea, the superior lobe, on the left, the main primary bronchus, lobular secondary bronchus, segmental tertiary bronchus, inferior lobe, cardiac notch, mediastinum, yeah, have some mediastinum off here, that's where. Right inferior lobe, in the alveoli, we have a magnified thing here, we'll show it again. That's where you have the gas exchange. And the oxygen and the carbon dioxide are exchanged here. When you breathe in, our diaphragm moves down, you rush it in to fill our lungs. When you breathe out, our diaphragm move up and you squeeze out of our lungs. When it squeezes out, it goes, it enters back to the trachea into, and we breathe out carbon dioxide there. Let's just show magnified view once more. Once again, I encourage my students to do the drawing freehand so that they can get acquainted with the, with the components, the biological components. For if you just look at the internet, then you might not be able to retain as much of the information as when you draw it and for yourself. Might not be an artist, but I think I did a pretty good job in drawing this myself freehand. And I encourage my students to do the same. And they will retain a greater percentage of the data, the biological data, than if they just look at the internet or look into a book.